Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Nowadays, a video is being most viral on YouTube. So I just thought why this video is being so viral and just gave it a try. And then I must say this is truly a viral video because first thing you can prepare within just 2 minutes, and the second thing, when I prepared this to my family, they just said it's heaven. So let me tell you how to prepare this simply in just 2 minutes. So first of all, we need bread here. Instead of milk bread, take sandwich bread so that the bread won't be so mushy when you add the ingredients. So I have taken 4 slices of bread and started cutting the edges, that is the brown part which is being shown here. You need to cut it gently and you should not disturb the shape. You should get a perfect square shape. Now with the leftover brown part you can prepare breadcrumbs by adding into blender. Now put those bread slices aside and then take a pan and put it on low flame and add 1 cube of Amul butter here, any butter of your choice. Here I have added Amul butter 1 cube, and then once it's melted I added all the 4 slices of bread and then I started frying it on low flame till the bottom part turns nice golden brown color, crispy and crunchy. Now time to flip on to the other end. That's it. Now again I have added one more Amul butter cube over here and allowed it to melt so that the bread at the bottom will absorb the butter nicely and it gets fried nicely till it turns golden brown color. You should wait for 2 to 3 minutes by frying it on low flame only. Do not put it on high or medium flame, otherwise your bread will burn. Now this is completely optional. I want my sides of the bread also to be crispy and crunchy, so I have fried the all the sides of the bread. If you don't like it, just fry the top and bottom of the bread slices. Now after frying our bread, add milk little by little. Here I have taken 1 full glass as shown here, but for me it only took half a glass of lukewarm milk here. I have taken lukewarm milk. Now add lukewarm milk little by little on the sides of the pan and then start boiling it, or else wait till the bread absorbs all the bread. Now once the milk is completely over or absorbed, flip on the other end and add another little bit of, that is 6 to 7 tablespoons of milk, and allow it to boil or cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once the bread is absorbed, that's it, our viral bread milk recipe is all ready. Now here I have added honey. You can add honey or date syrup or jaggery syrup or milk made, anything of your choice, and then enjoy. This I have tried with honey and just trust me, this is truly heaven, and with just no time you can prepare this. So go give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.